Hi. Well, this is an interesting thing to be doing. I've taken 2 of these flat of all-purpose flour and then 1 of mascarpone because that's what was left, and it's 80% fat. It's really high fat.
Butter.
So it's a bit like butter, isn't it? And then I've added about that much of Parmesan. Now, in theory, I put some black pepper in there, and in theory, oh, and self-raising. So I've added about half a teaspoon of baking powder. Over here, you don't get self-raising flour. Now, I'm trying to incorporate this without getting it all over my fingers. So I keep getting my fingers floury as I push in to the mascarpone. And here we are. Now, what we're going to be doing is we're attempting, I will have to add some water, I think, to this. Oh no, I think it is going to be enough. Can't promise. I think we do need a little splash of water. Now, there we are. We're not aiming to make a bread, we're aiming to make something that binds together and holds, which is exactly what this is. Okay, so it's reminiscent of a dumpling mixture, but it's a little more sophisticated because it's taken the fat from something that was left over from another recipe. So there you are. Now, these I'm going to make into little balls, but with pieces of sausage in the middle. So they should be quite nice. I've not made them before, and no, I haven't copied anyone else's because I haven't seen them. So if I just put that there, you'll be able to see better. There's your little ball, and we will cover them in little bits of dumpling. Now, I'm still making a decision as to whether to drop them into water like pasta would be cooked, or whether to lay them on the surface of my sauce. Well, so take that, make a round, make a little hole, pop it in and lay it over. So I think we will end up making little nice balls, and we will enjoy those with our tomato sauce. There's one. As you know, I'm always trying to find things that children will eat. I have a granddaughter who's not very good at eating, and I think she might quite like these because they've got a little surprise on the inside. And I think probably the mascarpone would be a vast improvement on suet. There we are. Well, they are quite messy to make, but I'm sure they'll be worth it. There we are. So you're getting the general idea. Or enclosing them in a dumpling ball mix. We'll get 2 out of this, and we will save There's your piece of sausage meat. These are actually chipolata sausages, which taste delicious. And they don't have filler in them, they really are just meat. And this is the last one. So you should get a nice cheesy outside and a delightful ball on the inside of your surprise sausage. Now those, I'm going to leave those for a little bit while I get my sauce heated and we will drop them in. We made these and I've got some very hot homemade tomato sauce, and that is a recipe. So I've already done that and I'm laying these on the top. Just like that. And then we're going to bake them in the oven to get, they should have crispy tops when they're finished. And I think we can sort of spread them out a little bit, can't we? There we are. And be quite delicious. Okay. This is a good little pot that I often use, but you could use anything at all. I need to cover them because I don't want the sauce to burn. I want everything to be, well, steamed in its own goodness. There you are. Pretty simple, straightforward. Okay, we're going to take them out and have a look at them. Ooh. Well, I think they could do it just a little bit longer. But don't they look nice? And look at all this rich sauce. I think you'll like these. Isn't it interesting? You take the same ingredients, flour and fat and tomato and cheese, and instead of a pizza, you come up with those, or you can make cheese on toast with tomatoes on top. You can do all sorts of things with the same things. That's what's so nice about it. I think it needs a little bit, maybe another 5 minutes. Okay, we're going to take it out. So in fact, it's had about 26 minutes, something like that. But I think it's one of these dishes you can just leave it until you feel like taking it out within reason, because there's not a lot to go wrong with it. So we'll turn that off. Now, ready? You're going to get steamed up if you're too close. There we are. Doesn't that look nice? So, now, this was really because it's a challenge. Paul actually says he doesn't like these little balls. What do you call them? Dumplings. But these are made with mascarpone, and they've got a nice little surprise on the inside. So we'll see what he has to say. So let's cut it open. Oh, they're all soft, and I think you'll like it. So the sausage side is over there, and would you like to try?
Give it a minute to cool down. It looks a bit steaming hot.
Do you think it looks nice?
Yes, it does.
Do you think you might change your mind about dumplings?
It's not a dumpling, is it? It's something better.
Oh, I wanted to make you a dumpling you'd like. Yes, it is a dumpling. It is a dumpling. It's basically half fat to flour, and then with a bit of flavouring of cheese in it, and then a little bit of sausage just to give it a little bit of bite of something nice.
Okay.
Go on then, try. Well, is that a success or not? Would you like them ever again?
Oh, okay, hold on.
So you do like dumplings?
All right.
But don't they look good?
Yeah, it's nice.
I haven't had dumplings since I was a little girl, and I've never ever cooked them myself. And they are actually quite a simple thing to do. But what do you think about the with the sausage in them?
It's good.
Yes, I thought it would. And the dumplingy thing is very soft, smooth and creamy.
Yes.
Yes, yes. So it's better than made with suet.
Oh, yes.
Yes. But I think next time I may not do it like that. I might just mix it with butter. But I think I'll always put a little bit of something in the centre.
Mm-hmm.
I think I'll try making something with a vegetarian stuffing in the middle.
Okay.
Yes, I'm pleased.